Hey viewers, today I'm going to unboxing a product and it's called this clock actually. So this is Natural Sound and FM radio and Snooze function it has, and it also has the simulation wakes up gradually sunset simulation. Okay, this is really good. And so it is a snooze function, wake up with natural sound, FM radio. This is really cool item, and it also has multicolor light, definitely time display, and this is looks like that. So let's see. So from here, okay, obviously the USB cable. So this is the manual, and the manual, I think this is the model number JW6639F. so the time features and all those things, and so I think it has 3 languages. Okay, let's keep it aside. This is the box. So the stand, charger. The charger is, I think, 5V 1 amp. Okay, and this is the main clock. So let's keep all the things inside actually. So this is the clock. It looks really cool. So this is the battery, I believe. Yeah, so I'll take it out. So the battery needs to locked. Now it's locked. USB 5V USB. This is the antenna for the radio, and at the top it has snooze, volume down, volume up, brightness, yes, music and FM. So let's set up it. I believe this is easy setup actually. So yeah, that's done. So this one cable, basically I have a I think 3.5. okay, not this one, but I think I have one. So let's try this one actually. Okay, yes, so it's on right now. Let me, okay, so right now I'm in California, so it's 10, and then I think it's 10 probably. Okay, it's not showing any time actually, but anyway. So this is the light. See, just press one light, and if I press this one, see the brightness. Wow, so this is the highest one. It looks really cool. So if I press one more time, now it's green, and I think it will change actually. See, it's changed to light green, yellow, probably going to red. Yeah, it's red, very beautiful. And then probably purple, white, blue. So probably deep blue. Yes, it's deep blue, and light blue. Wow, 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 again green. It's really cool. I like this watch. So I'll figure it out, the timing, and this is a snooze function actually. So I have to set up the alarm clock first, then we'll do it. So this is the volume. Let's try the FM. So this is the FM. I don't know, but I can change it to Yeah, it is not bad, but I have to check. Yeah, anyway, very nice was cool watch. Thank you guys for watching me. Wow, so this is the alarm system. So this is the sound for the alarm. Wow, okay, okay, wow, wow. Violin, okay. This is the basic one. Okay, I don't know what is this one. Anyway, so it's one again. Anyway, okay. Thank you guys for watching my video.